generation. Yeah. They don't have really? Oh my God. 1,200. Yeah.
That's why in Vietnam, you have a need one to make money and one to represent a lot.
One for the upside down.
Today the weather turned to be so nice. No more raining. So I say the good weather is just for the good man. Somehow you are the good man, good gentleman. That could be the good start for everyone.
And then go and of course I will go to see everybody in the mirror. I'm not letting anybody go the wrong way. And anytime.
Hey!
Hey! Right.
We go now!
Go now.
Okay, guys.
Oh yeah, King Kong. Gotta love it.
Say hello, man. Cool. How about them? Where are they going? Yeah! Woo!
Oh man, that's awesome, right? Oh.
Take it easy.
Oh yes.
Take it easy.
Oh my Buddha, I love it.
Take it easy, dude. We need you.
Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay, right here, guys. You see that the home of the picnic. The picnic right here. Exactly, and there, guys. That's the corn store for seedling store. Yeah. Here we go, little puppy. Okay, guys, come in. Yeah, there's quite alien people coming to the Hmong house because you are like double size of the local man here. Yeah, you see the house was not so, not so tall, really small design. But this house, I have to tell you, this house about 4 generations live together in here.
Wow.
Yeah. And here was the mother pig, guys.
She's over there yelling at us.
Yeah. The mother pig over there.
Baby.
Yeah, and the baby piglet there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. See that?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
I gotta get a picture of that.
Yeah, of course you can get in and get a picture of that. Xin chào. Xin chào Dung Cao ơi. Min sai Min Tu ơi. Min sai Min Tu ơi. Min sai Min Tu. Chắc chú vào đây chơi một tí nhá. Min sai ra đây.
Hey.
Yeah, hello.
How are you? Hey.
Min
Look at
Tu.
you, big boy.
Min Tu, Min sai.
You're a big boy.
Right, that's so cool. So, okay, we can get in to see how the 4 generations live together. How they live in here, man. Of course, I jump to there. Sometimes I stay there, smoke the bong, and drink a little happy water with the owner. But today, the owner, I think probably they already go out there for work. Yeah. Mintu. Yeah. Okay. Mintu, it means the boy. Minsai, it means the baby girl. Yeah. Oh, the mother running back home. Okay, come in and see. Minsai bật bóng điện lên cho chú. Minsai bật bóng điện lên nào. Mintu bật bóng điện lên. Yeah. Ok, bật điện lên nào. Không bật điện được à? Phải cắm này đúng không? Không cắm được à? Ok. Come in everybody. Cú Mu Cang Chai mẹ mẹ. Right here. Xin chào. Chào cô. Bà khỏe không? Dương cáo. Muzu Chimo. Muzu. She said so strong. I'm so strong.
Yes, you are. Yeah.
No, not me. She said I am strong. It means like I asking her how are you? She said I'm so strong. Yeah.
Wow. Babies and moms.
The daughter-in-law, grandchildren, and they got the grandfather, great-grandfather, join together and live here together. Yeah. And that's a sewing machine for make their own clothing, and this one not for market, no, not for show off and not for selling. This one only for their daughter and for their family.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see that here.
Wow.
Lovely. Yeah. Oh, you guys look so funny. Xin chào. Xin chào Dung Cầu. Kamu suci mua? Mua gì thế á? Ok. Yeah. Phong ký mùng cao chế đi thăm thôi, đi xem nhà thôi, đi chơi thôi. Mùng Asi ấy, mùng Asi rồi à? Hello Tiki. Khách đi theo mấy con lợn này, bảo con lợn đẹp quá ta đi theo. Cứ mùng để bắt con lợn. Đi theo con lợn mà. Okay guys, the owner here, she said she very welcome, but she's so scary because she's thinking somebody coming and take their children away. I said no, we're not Chinese. Because you know, in the border before COVID, in the border side between Vietnam and China, we lost thousands of children, especially the girl.
Really?
Yeah, the Chinese people, they kidnap the girl in the mountain village and they take them to the land of China and they will training them, teach them Chinese and then sell them for marriage. Because in China, they don't have enough women for marriage.
They had a one-child policy.
Exactly, and that's really bad. And nowadays, lucky thing for Vietnamese people, guys, they already put the electric fan between Vietnam and China. I mean, they build the wall, the fan between in the border. So they put electric there. It means they don't want Chinese people to come to Vietnam and do bad things, and they also don't want Vietnamese people come through the border and go to their home for working to get a job. And that's why nowadays we already got better things. At least the people don't have a job, they don't have a good payment anymore from China, but our children and the people sick in our side now.
Wow.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Yeah.
Just please don't ask them what I ask you. But is this a mother, daughter, and the oldest woman is the grandmother to the youngest daughter?
Of course.
daughter-in-law. No. Yeah, I'm just. Assume from your.
Of course, I see. She calling her mother-in-law.
Okay.
It means she the mother of her husband. And see, stay here together. Yeah.
So she's a
Oh no, see, grandmother. Sorry.
grandmother.
Yeah.
To the kids.
Exactly. I think she only 20 or 21. And the lady already about maybe 50 or 60, you know. It means already about 3 generations different. Because in here, 15 years or 16 years was already married. It means 15 or 16 years later, they already become grandmother. And 15 years later of that, they become great grandmother. Yeah, you see. Okay. You okay, sir? You right? Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo, man! That's awesome!
Hold on.
Yeah.
Zip your zipper up just a little bit.
Okay, good. Jim, you good? Okay.
Stop at the view.
Yeah.
Right there.
But anyway, please wait for a minute. I want to see the head of the bike.
Well, they're on the phone. Siri is talking to the car.
Okay. Good. Yeah.